Okay guys, so hi, good morning. It is my very last day here in Phoenix, Arizona. I'm going to be taking my flight back to Colorado, to southern, Colorado Springs, Colorado at about 3 o'clock. So I have to get to the airport at 1. I have to check out here at 11. Yeah, I have to check out here at 11. I've already gone downstairs and eaten breakfast. I'm already changed for the day. I'm even wearing jeans too. So I'm wearing jeans as well because I don't know if it's going to be cold or not on the plane. I'm going to be wearing a tank top and I'm just going to have my jacket in my bag just to play it safe. And right now I want to say it's like maybe in the 80s here in regards to the heat, but I know in Colorado it's going to be so nice. But yeah, I've already eaten breakfast and everything. I've already packed up all of my stuff. I have to be out of here by 11. It is currently 9:08 and I'm just watching the Try Guys like make sushi rolls. But yeah, I've already put on my face makeup and I just need to do my eyes and my lips and everything. So just a little bit ago I actually posted on my Instagram. It was a post about my entire experience, my whole weekend, and it was absolutely amazing. I met so many different people. There were a lot of people there from Canada. I would say like a good third, maybe like 2/5 were from Canada. I was like, oh my gosh, so many Canadians. And it was amazing. There were people there from, like all over the world, internationally. There were people there from India and London, and of course there's people here from the United States, but just all over the United States. I know there were 2 other Coloradans there besides myself, and it was just really nice and refreshing to meet people from all walks of life, different backgrounds, but we all strive to do and achieve the same things. We all want to improve healthcare and improve ourselves. So it was just really nice and refreshing to be around people who are like-minded. I'm honestly really sad that today is my last day here. In all honesty, I wasn't sure how I would feel about Arizona, like Phoenix and everything, because I knew it was going to be hot. I knew that it's a desert and everything. There's not really any mountains, like at least traditional mountains like what I'm used to. They do have rolling hills and everything here, which I went on a hike with a few of the girls from HCI and their friends who live here last night. We went on a hike and everything. Well, not a hike, but just a stroll through this one park. And they had the rolling hills and it was just beautiful. What was I saying? Oh yeah, getting back to what I was saying. I was really hesitant about liking Arizona, and I don't want to leave, not really. It feels weird saying that, because I've only been here for 4 days. This is literally my 4th day here, but I just really like it here. Of course, like I'm gonna go back to Colorado. Like Colorado is my home. I love Colorado. All of my family is there, but to come back here and everything, I totally would. If anyone asks me, like, hey, you want to go to Phoenix, you want to go to Arizona in general, I will definitely say yes, because of how much of an impact these past 4 days have had on me. It is so beautiful. The sunsets are absolutely amazing. We went on that walk and everything. We stayed over there and just watched the lights of the city, and it was just so beautiful and peaceful, and I've never seen anything like that in my entire life. It was really nice. We went up there and we literally sat in the hole of this huge rock, and it looked like it was just so far away, but in reality it wasn't. It was absolutely amazing, and I had such a good time, and this whole experience actually has me really eager to just start getting clients, like paying clients and everything. And they asked us, what are we going to do in the next 24 hours from then? That's going to be our next big step for us. And I said that I wanted to get business cards, because that's putting it out there in the universe, you know, like, I'm gonna do this, I'm going to help people change their lives, I'm gonna make a difference in people's lives. So this whole event has kind of just changed certain aspects of my way of thinking, especially the motivational speakers and everyone they had up there, and the skills lab exercises that they had us all do over the past 3 days. So it was just an amazing experience. I'm so glad that I came. I was honestly a little bit hesitant upon coming because I had never traveled by myself before. This was only my second time on a plane. I was in like a completely new city and everything, but I met so many amazing people, and at the end of the day, I'm just so glad that I came. I'm really glad that I invested in myself. I took that chance and just had that leap of faith, and you know, I feel like it was worth it. So I'm just gonna finish doing the makeup, and I will catch up with you guys in a few minutes. Okay, you guys, so I'm just about to check out of the hotel. I have on Keeping Up with the Kardashians on TV. We have our suitcases all packed and ready to go. We're ready to turn in our key card. And yeah, we're just basically cleaning up this entire room. I just need to put more things in my purse and everything, and then we will be all good to go. I'm actually going to be taking the shuttle over to the airport and just going to be hanging out over there. I do not want to pay like $10–20 for an Uber just to go to Lush or anywhere else for that matter. I had an amazing time here. I'm really excited to come back. I'm definitely coming back soon for the Grand Canyon. I have to experience that at least once in my life. And yeah, I honestly didn't expect to like Phoenix, let alone Arizona, as much as I do. I'm definitely going to be coming back. I honestly kind of fell in love with it, like particularly Scottsdale in Phoenix, and yeah, I just can't wait to come back. Hopefully I'm going to be coming back maybe with a friend or a family member, and I won't be as busy. It'll actually be a real vacation instead of, you know, just for business, I guess. You know, HCI Live, it was amazing, but it was like an all-day thing. I did get to meet so many amazing people, but I did want a little bit more time just to explore. But hopefully, fingers crossed, you know, next time. And the next time I see you guys, I will be at the airport.
Eventually.
Thought we were getting here early, but we were just on time.
I know, right? No, I was like, oh no, he's not texting me back. He's probably in the movies with Ricardo. I was like, geez, I have to wait for an hour probably.
Are you doing it right now?
Yeah.
Why?
Because you guys are so sweet picking me up.
I never are.
You guys, they literally came over here to pick me up. They're so sweet. I love them.
Alright. Down to just a couple ones.
If you need a receipt, please press the receipt button.
Don't do
Receipt. No, Mom probably wants a receipt.
Yeah.
It was amazing, and then I actually had a private success coaching session for like 15–20 minutes, one-on-one with a success coach, and I made such an impression on this success coach that she literally remembered me from day one all the way to the last day of the event. And there was this motivational speaker there the very first day, and his name was Dr. Sean Stevenson, and he's called on social media like the 3-foot giant.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I saw him in person. I was just so excited. It was really cool.
That was cool.
And he talked about being on the Jimmy Kimmel show. I couldn't figure out his name. I was on the phone with Mom. I'm just like, not Stephen Colbert and not Jimmy Fallon. I'm just like, who is it? Like, I tell her, Jimmy something, and she's like, Jimmy something. I'm just like, I couldn't remember. So there was like this one booth that had all of these honey products, and that made me think of you. It was like, no, it's not scented.
Sounds like you had a lot of fun though.
Yeah.
Just a couple of days. I think it's always like,
it was like
almost a
amazing
vacation with like a bunch of people like you've never met. And you just click and stuff.
Yeah.
Like you said about the energy in the room, that's really cool. Yeah.
And I was on the phone with Mom, and I told her I straight up just like want to come back within the next 2-3 years, because it was amazing, Phoenix.
Yeah.
I really liked Scottsdale. Everyone was just walking around, and there were a bunch of art galleries.
What was the weather like? It was really nice.
It was like 102 degrees on Friday.
You sure?
Yeah. So over there, their spring is equivalent to our summer. And then the guy who was driving our shuttle from the hotel to the airport and vice versa, he actually told us that in the summer it gets to 128 degrees. So yeah, it's just insane. But I would definitely go back within the next 2-3 years, because I honestly didn't want to leave. You know, like that season finale of Friends.
No, you have to get off the plane. What? Why? Something is wrong with the left phalange.
Yeah, when I went
So
to,
I didn't want to get on, I wanted to get off.
Yeah, like on long trips like that, I didn't really want to go home either.
Yeah. No, but I did miss you guys and everything. And it was really nice talking to you, Ricardo, and your mom on Wednesday. I hope you had a good day, you know? So I got my usual from Dutch Brothers. It is amazing. It is beautiful. It is the iced chai tea latte with whipped cream and cinnamon on top. Ricardo, you're next.
What was it called?
It was the caramel chocolate drizzle freeze.
It's pretty good. Show it to them.
Okay.
Show them the product. Oh.
Show the product.
Product.
You guys are
That's some
fancy.
nice
And you.
drizzle on it.
And you, Xavier. Javier.
So, I got a infused strawberry lemonade. Very delicious, very cheap, about $3. Very cost effective.
Well, yeah, because I had a card for a free drink. You're
And this is-
welcome. So we are headed back home, and I will catch up with you guys in a while. Hey guys, so it is many hours later. I'm back home. I clearly just took a shower. I'm just in my Broncos jersey, and I am so ready for bed. So I will see you in the next vlog. I'll see you guys later. Bye.